The price war in the Indian smartphone market is heating up. Apple has launched a special scheme under which consumers can exchange their old smartphone for a new iPhone 4 at the cost of around $360. This is one of the many aggressive marketing strategies that the company has launched in the last 6 months to draw consumers. And even though this is an older model, the response has been overwhelming.
Our business has, from immediately preceding, this scheme was launched on the 5th of April. It's jumped 4 times since then. We are the largest sellers of Apple in the country, around 16-17% of their sales of iPhones in India. And our volumes have jumped 4 times. So I think the strategy that they have taken in terms of really going with iPhone 4 as their volume driver in India is a fantastic thing that they've done.
Reports say that iPhone shipments to India have tripled in the last 6 months and sales are expected to cross the $1 billion mark in this financial year. But it's not only the iPhone. Even iPad sales have picked up. Now, interestingly, India was never a priority market for Apple, and it's only in 2012 that the company increased its focus on Asia's third largest economy. Other major players have also announced competitive offers. Market leader Samsung also launched a new scheme, giving discounts on some of its popular smartphones, such as cashback and monthly installment plans, triggering what some say is the price war.
The market is enormous. The Indian market is one of the single largest unit device sales markets in the world. And having said that, there is enormous potential for consumers to upgrade into the smartphone and smart devices life. And it's our job to continuously catalyze that. And be it any spectrum, any player in the marketplace, there's enough room for all. It just depends who's doing it right.
But it's not only the big international names that are dominating the market. If the global brands are doing well in the high and mid-price segment, there are a lot of homegrown companies, including non-branded ones, that are leading the pack in the low-price segment. These handsets with basic features have been selling well in smaller cities and towns.
You will find that the barrier between so-called branded expensive handsets and not so branded handsets, this gap will get reduced slowly, and you'll see some kind of overlap at the period of time. That means not so branded handsets will have some handsets which will slowly eat away the lower price brand here, whereas branded large expensive smartphone players will slowly come down, try to eat away this market. It's like a pyramid thing.
Though currently there are only 40 million smartphone devices in a market of 900 million users, this segment has started to grow rapidly over the last 2 years as many consumers are looking to replace basic handsets with smartphones. Handset manufacturers are expected to flood the market with more such offers in the months to come, as more Indians look for a smart way.